What's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is, get a little rad too. Today is June the 5th. We are out here in the Atlanta area. This is a repeat client. This is Mr. Hole, John Hole. He used me about a few years ago. He said, Courtney, you did such a great job. I just want to keep it up. I'm going to be doing a screen and recoat. It's a small job, just a kitchen, dining room, living room. He had Christian actually come out 2 days ago to move the furniture. John travels a lot, so he gave me the code to the house to come in and do the work. And then after this, we got to go do a job in Stockbridge that came in yesterday. Found me on Google. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so again, we are in the Atlanta, Georgia area. I did this project about 2 years ago. To be honest, guys, the floor still looks good, but again, some people just want to keep the house maintained and keep the floors maintained. So let me show you what we got going. So these floors right here, which I'm going to get me one of my little lights and I'll plug it up and get some more light in here, because that's the only light we have. So it's really dark. But if you guys look at the floor, he went with a satin finish last time. And you look at the floors, guys. I mean, to be honest, the floors still look good. But some people just want to keep their floors maintained. Now, he did say, though, he had a rug down over here, and he is shifting the rug. So you can see where the rug was down, that little line right there. So he said, Courtney, I'm rearranging my furniture. And that's the main reason for him getting this done. So, but overall, guys, again, from 2 years ago, as you can see, the floors still look amazing. And he does have a dog. And yeah, man. So we use only good finishes, good premium water-based finishes. And you can see how this floor still looks 2 years later. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Screen this floor down. Pick up these vents. You know, I think that one of them I couldn't move, but we'll just go around. All right, guys. Stay. All right, guys, nothing to it but to do it. So I got the coating going down. And now after this, I'm gonna hit the Stockbridge. Tomorrow, we have a consultation, in-home consultation in Powder Springs. And then I've got a countertop to do in Douglasville. Lady saw me on Facebook offering my new countertop service. And then have another consultation tomorrow in Alpharetta for hardwood floors. And what's funny is the client told me, yes, the one that booked the in-home consultation, she said, you know what? And I was referred to her, guys, check this out. I was referred to her by one of the contractors that's working at the house. And she told me, she said, out of all the contractors that I'm dealing with, you are the only one that charged an in-home consultation. But if I was a contractor, she said I would do the same thing. Because I'm telling you guys, man, driving around this city, doing free consultations, well, it's not free because you are paying for it. The client's not paying for it, or the potential client's not paying for it. But guys, I'm telling you, man, I have helped so many contractors understand this. You will waste so much time going out, giving people free quotes, just for them to either not be serious or shop around with your quote. So like I said, but I will say about 60 to 70% of the jobs that you guys see me do, most of them are just booked through pictures. But the rest of them do the in-home consultation. So, all right, guys, let me get the rest of this finished now. Stay tuned. All right, guys, floors are drying, looking good, looking good. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is lock up No need for me to stay around. This is a repeat client. So yeah, man, that looks really good. You can still see it drying just a little bit, so I'm not gonna step on it. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Well, this is number 1 of 2 today. We're about to hit the stop bridge, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.